If you're a biryani lover, then today's recipe is going to be a treat for you. We're making an incredibly delicious and aromatic chicken biryani that will fill your kitchen with mouth-watering flavors. Trust me, once you try this, you won't order biryani from restaurants again. So stay with me till the end because I'll share some secret tips to make your biryani extra special. And if you love my recipes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, I'm taking some potatoes and coating them with turmeric powder. This gives them a nice golden color and enhances their taste. Now, in a pan, I'm heating some oil and frying sliced onions until they turn crispy and golden brown. This fried onion biriyani will add a delicious aroma to the biryani. Once done, I'll take them out and keep them aside. Next, in the same oil, I'll fry the potatoes until they get a light golden crust. Once done, I'll remove them too. Now, let's prepare saffron milk by mixing saffron strands in warm milk. This will give the biryani a rich color and beautiful fragrance. Moving on to the chicken, I've washed it properly and now I'll add all the spices: salt, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, biryani masala, fried onions, yogurt, and oil. I'll mix everything really well so that the chicken is fully coated with the masala. This step is very important because a good marinade makes the chicken juicy and flavorful. Now, I'll heat oil in a pan and add the marinated chicken. I'll cover it with a lid and let it cook on low flame, so the chicken releases its own juices. Every few minutes, I'll remove the lid and give it a stir. Once the chicken starts cooking, I'll add water and mix well. Now I chopped green chilies and fresh coriander leaves to enhance the aroma. After that, I'll let the chicken cook until it becomes soft and juicy. Once the chicken is tender, I'll add the fried potatoes and mix them in. Then, I'll cover the pan again and let it cook for a few more minutes. Now I'll turn off the heat and keep the chicken aside. Next, let's prepare the rice. First, I'll wash the basmati rice thoroughly and soak it for at least 30 minutes. Soaking the rice helps it cook evenly and makes it extra fluffy. Now, in a large pot, I'll boil water and add oil, salt, bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, and whole spices for extra flavor. To enhance the taste, I also add a little lemon juice to the boiling water. Once the water starts boiling, I'll add the soaked rice and let it cook until it's about 80% done, soft but still firm. Then, I'll strain the rice and keep it aside. Now comes the most exciting part: layering the biryani. In a large pot, I'll start layering. First, I'll spread some chicken gravy at the bottom. Then, I'll add a layer of cooked rice on top. Next, I'll place the chicken pieces evenly over the rice. Now, I'll sprinkle some fried onions and biryani masala for extra flavor. Then, I'll add another layer of rice on top. After that, I'll pour the saffron milk over the rice to give it a rich color and amazing fragrance. Next, I'll add a few drops of rose water for a royal touch. Finally, I'll drizzle some ghee over the biryani to make it even more flavorful. Now, I'll cover the pot with a tight lid and cook the biryani on low flame for 30 minutes. This process is called dum cooking, and it helps all the flavors blend beautifully. After 30 minutes, our fragrant, delicious chicken biryani is ready. The aroma is just irresistible. I'll gently mix the biryani from the sides to avoid breaking the rice and serve it hot with raita and salad. And there you have it, restaurant-style chicken biryani. Made at home, isn't it tempting? If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how your biryani turned out. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!